how to download and install YouTube application on your phone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download and install YouTube application on your phone. So first thing, simply open up your Play Store on your Android or App Store on your iPhone and just click on search. And once you're inside your search menu, just search in for YouTube. So once you search in for YouTube, you'll be seeing this option, and here instead of open you will be seeing install button over here. As you can see, I've already installed it, so just tap on install button over here. Just like this, you will be given an install button. So once you install it successfully, you can simply tap on it to open your YouTube application just like this, and make sure you're logged into your account. And then from here on out, you can easily watch the YouTube smoothly. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.